These cookies look good. Cookies are ready.
You made cookies? Great! I can't wait to have some.
Those are hot.
Yummy cookies.
Yes, they are. Right, Cookie Monster?
They smell good. I'll have one. Huh?
No, you can't have any.
Why can't I have any?
Because Cookie Monster gets some first.
Cookie Monster? Are you kidding me? That's a toy.
If we don't give him a cookie first, he will punish us.
That's crazy. I'm taking him and putting him away.
No, don't do it. Don't.
Cookie Monster,
Oh,
you're
no.
going outside.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I got rid of him. Now let's eat those cookies. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's eat.
Okay.
I will go play Fortnite and eat my cookie there.
Okay, I'll eat mine while I'm playing Minecraft.
You didn't want to share those cookies? Now you will pay. I will blast you with my cookies.
I'm gonna get you, creature. Stop running from me. Come back here.
Oh, there you are. And you ate your cookie too.
You can't run from me.
Where's my cookies?
What? I knew it.
Next time you will give me cookies. Ooh, I will get you. Don't move. I'll be right there.
What was that? I guess it was something in the game.
Hey there, Mr. Greedy.
Wow, you're a giant!
That's right. I hope it was delicious.
I knew this would happen. You didn't listen to me, and now I have to fight him.
Ooh, delicious cookies. Yeah.
Oh, he's eating all the cookies. I need to stop him.
You're back?
Yes, I am.
Wow, she was right. That Cookie Monster is real. I'm gonna blast him with this. I'm tired of playing with this Cookie Monster. I'm gonna get the big blaster. Alright, Cookie Monster, time to get roasted.
Hey, where are you? Stop hiding.
On the count of 3, you're gonna distract him and I'm gonna blast him.
Okay.
Here we go. 1,
Come out where I can see you.
We did it!
Yeah, right. That's what you get for not trusting me.
Such a nice day out today. I love being in the park when the Nerf Patrol's not here. Uh-oh, it's T-Series. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Hacker. You were supposed to get rid of PewDiePie and you didn't.
Yeah, I know. We had interference from the Nerf Patrol.
That is no excuse. He's still beating us in the sub count.
Okay,
You better eliminate him or you're fired.
got it. Let me think. I got an idea. What's up, YouTube? Are you ready for a journey? And we're gonna vlog about b-ball today. But before, let me show you the hottest merch on YouTube. It's right here. And if you want to learn more about it, then check in the description. All right, let's shoot some hoops. Who is that guy? He sure looks familiar. I don't know. Let me take a shot. Great, here he comes. My plan's working perfectly. I knew I recognized him, bros. Check it out. Whoa, look, it's PewDiePie.
It's every day, bro. You still rocking that Disney Channel flow?
Whatever, bro. You still wetting your pajamas and crying to your mama?
You know what? I don't like you, JP. It's nothing personal, kid.
Yo, bro, maybe you're just upset because T-Series is about to become the king of YouTube.
Of course, if you use sub bots and you have 1 billion people in India helping you out,
Yo, bro, I think you should just have some lasagna and chill out.
I'll serve you some lasagna.
Yo, bro, go for it. I've got my blaster too. Oh, you missed, bro.
I didn't miss, bro. I planned it that way.
Bro, you're about as good at Nerf as you are at video games. I'll get you, bro. You need to buy my merch.
Why? It's not selling like a god church? You can't hit me.
Stop running from me. Yeah, this is great. Destroy each other.
Oh no, I'm out of ammo.
Out of ammo? I got you now. Uh-oh, me too. I'll just dab on this hater.
Dabbing, huh? Well, I'll use my bro fist.
Dab.
Bro fist.
Dab.
Bro fist. See you later.
Get back here, bro. Yeah, my plan worked. They eliminated each other. Let me call T-Series.
Hello?
Listen, T-Series, the job is finished. Make sure you make the payment via PayPal.
Thank you. Now we'll be #1.
Whatever. Yeah.